we find when we share, actually in giving we receive. More we give, more happiness we receive. There is a saying, the happiness multiplies when we share and the sorrow diminishes when we share. So please share both the things with the people. Sharing creates strong bonding. I would like ఒక చిన్న example ఇస్తాము. We discussed the example of the ants. This example of the ants, you have Chimalu. You might have seen the ants. So the ants, they have two stomachs, and when they eat, they digest and store the food in one of the stomach. When the two ants come together, so when they come together, they transform that digested food from their stomach to the mouth, and with the lips there is a process called trophallaxis. With this trophallaxis, they exchange that food. So when you find the ants, when they are going in one direction, they will come together from the other direction and they will meet and then they will depart. So this is the sharing, even very much prevalent among the ants.